Welcome to Will Channel. Buying a sports car isn't the only way to own a rare and unique vehicle. There's a wagon for that. Well, two, actually. Volvo is continuing its long boot tradition with a pair of vehicles that are far less common on public roads than Porsche 911s, the V90 and V90 Cross Country. These two Swedish station wagons sell in minuscule numbers, are beautiful inside and out, and like most wagons are more agile than an SUV while offering nearly the same utility. The cross-country version of the V90 adds some SUV flavor with a lifted ride height and standard black body cladding. Either way, car-like looks and sheer rarity ensure that these V90s stand apart from the vast fleet of SUVs plying today's roads. Following the launch of the V90 Cross Country for 2017, Volvo expanded its wagon portfolio further for 2018 by providing customers the option to special order the V90, which rides lower than the Cross Country and loses its body cladding. In other words, it's a conventional station wagon. Volvo also reduced the entry price of the V90 Cross Country by introducing a less powerful T5 trim and added a high-end V90 Cross Country Ocean Race Edition into the mix.